Yeah, so I'm yet again outside of my mom's friend's house after my brother, Tyler, aka TK Decapitation X, I think. No, I don't know. How about he'll tell you? What is it?
What?
What's your gamer tag, fag boy?
TKX alien. No, not A. That's
That's
yours.
me, you dumbass.
Decapitation.
Alright, say it. Tell the world.
TKX decapitation.
Not me.
I'm telling you right now. TKX decapitation.
Yeah,
There.
that's Tyler. You know me already. What else can I show you? See these? That top bike right there, the green and black like color one, is my friend Robbie's. The sexy ass blue one, which is like buried and like dead, is mine, but is buried and like dying slowly because it's being squished. But yeah, I'm really bored. Sitting outside of my mom's friend's house yet again, but it's not the same person. I really don't know what to say other than it's raining. It's really shitty outside, and that's called a dork. If you don't know what a dork is, it's another name for a whale dick. And I'm gonna text the person back saying I'm not a whale dick, but that means I have to put down the iPod, which means I'm gonna have to stop the video, which means goodbye.